Okay, so now we're going from distributive property, combining like terms, to getting a little kind of stuff that's kind of getting a little tricky here. What I have here is I just want to simplify the expression as much as possible. So I have 2n plus 1 minus 4p minus 3n. And if you remember, when we talked about combining like terms, we can only combine the terms that are alike, that are the same. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use the commutative property to rearrange this solution. And remember, commutative property of addition states that 3 plus 4 is the same thing as 4 plus 3. So I can rearrange these terms any way I want to, as long as you make sure you keep the sign that is in front of them with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rearrange this so I can put the terms that are alike next to each other. Well, here I have an n and an n. And I'm sorry, you want to keep the terms that have your variable factors the same. So since these are both the n, I'm going to put these next to each other. So I have 2n minus 3n plus 1 minus 4p. And that's going to be all my terms that I can simply bring together. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at it. And I'm going to see, let's combine these. So we could combine this by using distributive property. You can just think about it. Any way you want to go through it. I've already gone through some kind of videos on how to use distributive property or how to think of it. Otherwise, so I'll just say 2n minus 3n, I know is going to give me a negative n, plus 1 minus 4p. Since I no longer have any like terms, this is my final answer. I can't simplify that expression any further. So there you go. Hope it helps.